Welcome to my channel. Hi everyone. Thanks for tuning in. Today, we're setting up the NETGEAR Nighthawk X4S R7800 AC2600 Smart Wi-Fi router. I'll walk you through the entire installation and configuration process, so you'll have your Wi-Fi up and running in just a few minutes. Let's dive in. Package contents. The package contains the following items. Install your router. To install your router, attach and position the antennas. To determine where to attach the antennas, match the labels on the antennas with the labels on the router. Align the antennas with the antenna posts on the router. Attach the antennas on the threaded antenna posts. Position the antennas for the best Wi-Fi performance. We recommend that you position all of the antennas vertically, as shown. Prepare your modem. Unplug your modem's power. If the modem uses a battery backup, remove its batteries. If your modem is already connected to another router, disconnect the cable between your modem and that router. Make sure that your modem is turned off and is cabled only to the wall jack for your internet service. Connect your modem. Plug in, then turn on your modem. If you remove the batteries, replace them. With the Ethernet cable that came with the router, connect your modem to the yellow internet port on your router. Add power to the router. Connect the power adapter to the router and plug the power adapter into an outlet. Wait for the power LED on the front panel to light amber and turn white. If no LEDs are lit, press the power on/off button on the rear panel of the router. Check the LEDs. If the power LED lights solid white and the other LEDs are off, move the LED indicator on/off switch to the on position to turn on the other LEDs. Connect a device. You can use a wired connection to connect a computer to the router, or you can use a Wi-Fi connection to connect a computer or Wi-Fi device to the router. To connect using a wired connection, use an Ethernet cable, not included, to connect an Ethernet port on your computer to an Ethernet port on the router. To connect using a Wi-Fi connection, use the Wi-Fi network name and password on the product label. If you're unable to set up your NETGEAR Nighthawk X4S R7800 or need our assistance, then you can reach us. Thanks for watching.